Freaks, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Yeah. I can finally talk and I can drink some water and I am so happy and I've never been this happy before. So cute. I really hope I don't break out tomorrow because damn, that was a lot of latex on my face. While I had that on, 3 people managed to call me and I was not able to pick up the phone because I wasn't able to talk. This feels so good. Also, this is kind of random, but I dyed my eyebrows. So like, I can wake up and just go on about my day with my eyebrows being done. Like, what? But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I hope you have an amazing day today.
It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect! I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. This little beauty's been falling off since I put it on, pretty much. This should be easy. There's still latex on my neck, of course. Yeah! This side, however, is on there pretty good. Let's just start from the top and maybe make it drop. Just kidding, that's for later. The reason I'm talking so much is because I don't want to take this off, because it's gonna be painful. Okay, just one quick motion. Yeah, it just rips the paper. We're like halfway done. I surprise myself sometimes. Okay, one last one. Why do I do this to myself? I don't know. I hope your pain is amusing. I did not say that right. I hope my pain is amusing to you. There we go, Valeria. Second time is the charm. That's also not the saying. Our favorite nightmare fuel. And I'm all clean now.
Get on ready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
Get on ready with me, Aries edition. Let me take off these horns. Take off this choker. Take out these contacts. Let me take off these lashes. Oh no, this one's stuck. And now we're gonna start wiping it. Let's get the other side. Here goes the Aries symbol on that side. And this beautiful ram in the middle of my forehead. Let's get this eye. And can't forget about this eye. And finally, the lips. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.
Well, damn. Oof. I really like this one. I think it's really nice. Look at that. I almost feel bad taking it off, but it's gotta be done. Oop. Oh, bye. Can I pull the rest of them out? I can. Oh. No, not that one. Bye bye. So beautiful. I'm throwing her out. Bye bye, scary makeup. I'll see you again later.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow. Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower. Oh my gosh. Take off my makeup with me. I have someone getting to my house to give me an IV in 8 minutes. We gotta do this quick. Oh my goodness, I can't see it all. Take off the cloak. Wipe, 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 wipe. They are going to think that I am crazy. I was also near having a panic attack with that thing on my mouth, so the transition was not that good. But I just needed to be done. I hope y'all are enjoying the Fears and Phobias series because I like them a lot. I am also starving and wish I had time to eat before she got here. But it's fine, she gonna be pumping me with nutrients through my IV anyways. Oh girl, that eyebrow. Free eyebrow tint, for real. Okay, I think that is the best I can do. I need to go wash my face. Bye guys.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with liquid latex in so long. Or it feels like it's been so long. Gotta pluck my feathers, if you know what I mean. I really just have this giant beak on my face. Oh, not anymore. Oh, the liquid latex is still there. No. Just kidding, that was a test. You know, I didn't feel anything. Took me so long to draw, but oh well. Bye-bye. Nightmare fuel. I'm covered in paint, so I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll be right back. I took a shower, and I am all clean now. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is?
It is time to take these off again.
Good job. You're doing great. I just know how much you love ripping off liquid latex from your skin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Can I pull the teeth out, though? I don't think so. Can I? Nice. Do you want to just, like, rip off the smile at the same time?
I need to.
Okay, ready to scream in 3, 2, 1. I can't. I just look stuck. You got it. Do you need help? No. Think of it like waxing. It's just skincare.
No, it's not.
3, 2, 1. Ah! You got it. Good job. High five. Nice. All right, we still have some pieces left. Ah! Fast, fast.
Ah.
Nice. And we just know how much you guys love nightmare fuel. And just like that, we are mostly clean. We still need to go shower. But have a good day.